Akkad Bakkad.
India is a free independent country that got its independence on 15th August 1947. On 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day annually to remember those sacrifices our freedom fighters did for us. This day is a national celebration for all Indians who come together in the joy of independent India. Different educational institutes organize different programs by hosting the tricolor flag of India. On this National Celebration Day, we should all feel proud of being a part of India. India is an independent nation that gives us the freedom to follow all our rights, including the right to education and the right to speech. For almost 200 years, we were under the rule of the British government. They treated us like slaves, tortured us, and destroyed our money and resources. But after all the struggles, with the help of our freedom fighters, Indians fought for their rights and freedom. Almost 73 years ago, on 15th August 1947, India finally got independence from British rule. For the first time, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted India's flag on the Red Fort. Since then, India celebrates Independence Day across the nation. Independence gave us many benefits, including all the rights to freedom, speech, education, and many more. Without our freedom fighters, gaining independence against the British rule was quite impossible. For us, it was a beautiful gift of independent India from our martyrs. So, it is now our responsibility to value independence by doing pure deeds like cleaning, keeping our environment clean, helping the people in need, and maintaining all the rules and regulations of our Constitution. The young generation is our future for the country. With youth's talent and efforts towards the country, India can succeed more in the future. We need to understand the importance of patriotism and the importance of Independence Day in our country. Together in unity, we can strengthen our nation for a beautiful future. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.